Hey guys, Barkat here. Welcome to this video, and in today's video I'll be covering how you can add negative keyword from your campaign level easily. And I recently made a tool to simplify the all process to add a negative keyword. So in this video I will show you step by step how you can simplify the process and automatically add negative keyword in your Google ad campaign easily using just these tools. So stick with this video and I will show you each and everything today. So to add negative keyword from your Google ad campaign, so what you need actually, so you need a Chrome extension first. So this is the Chrome extensions called PPC root negative keyword tool. So if you don't find this tool from my video description, so what you can do actually, so you need to go to Google and open any browser and just go to Google and just write down PPC root negative and just hit enter, and you will find this tool actually. See, PPC root 11 negative keyword tool. This is the Chrome web store link. Just click on this and you will land on the exit tool page, Chrome extension page. So this Chrome extension already added on my browser, so that's why it's just showing remove from Chrome. So if I believe this will be not the same scenario for your end as well, so what you need to do, just click on the add to Chrome or something like this, and it will automatically add to Chrome actually. So this is the tool actually which I am talking about, like PPC root level PPC negative keyword tool. So once you have this tool on your Google Chrome browser, the next step is like go to your Google ad campaign and just select any campaign from where you want to add negative keyword, and just go to the search terms. Like this is the campaign actually, this client was running for a long time, but right now we are not running this campaign anymore. So I will show you how you should select the root level negative keyword from here. So once you are on the search term sections, then you should select this icon and just click on the start one, and then what next actually. So then you should select some root level negative keyword. Let's say this is a brand name like Ostack. So I will click this one, I will select this one, and you could see on the right hand side exit match, phrase match, and broad match. This same term will be added in the three mesh types, whichever you want. Then you can easily click, usually just click on the copy and just paste on the campaign level. So I will do one more time, like Redcliffe accounting. So this is a branded name, let's say, and maybe this one as well, and maybe this one as well. And like you can find, I think you got my point, right? How you can find all of these things from your campaign, from your search terms. So I will just click on these ones, forefront and acro for sure, and same. I think I already click on this. Oh yeah, no, this is another one, bit text. This is the ox tax or something, and let's say this one, cattle. So here's the thing, so you can do two things actually here. So you can click on this on like every keyword and just add them as a negative keyword from the campaign level. This is the first thing. And second, you should select from here the copy. Just hit copy on the phrase match box, and once you copied all of the keywords, then go to the keyword sections, go to the negative search keyword, and just click on the plus button, and you should see, you can see like there is two options, one is campaign and one is ad group. So I will just click on the campaign for now, and I'll just paste here, and see these are the root level negative keyword, and I just hit save. And I can bet you, like, you will never see this kind of keywords on your search terms, like which keywords contain these words. I think you get my point, right? Then once you are done, then you should select the stop, and on the list you can see all of the list. You can add manually here, or maybe you can delete any of them from here, and just go back and just hit clear all, and everything is removed from the tool actually, and just click on the cross icon. So I think you are done. So this is how you can add root level negative keyword from your campaign level, or maybe from your account level, or maybe from your ad group level, whatever suits you best actually. So I believe you will enjoy this tool actually, so which I recently created. If you really like this video, please press the like button of this video and subscribe these channels to get this kind of tricks and tricks in near future, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye bye.